Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Buds, and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll through the menu, find the option called sounds and vibration and select it. Here you find the vibration option and tap on it. And we have three levels of vibration. We have strong, soft and off. Select the one you like and then tap on OK. And once you're done, press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.